Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you this awesome winter boot. So I use this in very cold weather. It was also snowing a little bit, and I have to say these things kept me so protected. Besides the fact that there is fur throughout the whole thing, they were just a nice looking shoe to me. There is the plastic on the bottom or the rubber on the bottom. They had really good tread. I did not slide or slip in any kind of snow or any mud. These were awesome, and they have a super long lace. So I really like that feature too. Another feature that I thought was great, I know I showed this to you, but this can go in your shoe, and if for some reason your shoe does get wet, you can just take it out and dry it, and this protects the rest of the inside of the shoe, or it did for me at least, from getting wet. So I'm gonna show you a little bit more about these. So I spent the day trying to teach my kids how to snowboard, and I was up and down the bunny hill nonstop with these shoes. I did not get wet. I was not cold. I loved them. They were easy to walk in, and I did not slip once, which was just so great because I was really afraid that I would do this, but the tread on these was amazing. They go with just about anything, and you can see I have my snow pants on here, and it was easy for me to wear these too. These inserts were great for extra protection. I highly recommend these shoes, but that's just my point of view.